Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we can make a clock using Python. So let's get started. At first we have to create a new Python file. I'll name it main, and then we have to import Kinter. So I'll write from Kinter import all, and then we need from kinter.ttk import all. That's it. Now let's import time. So let from time import strftime. Okay. Now let's create a UI for our clock. So I'll write root is equal to tk, and let's set a title for our root. So I'll write root dot title to clock. Now let's create a label to store our clock. So I'll write label equals label, and here the first parameter will be root and the second is the font. And for the font I'll use a custom font which name is DS Digital. I'll give the download link of this font in the description. You have to download this font and you have to just install it clicking here. So for the font name I'll write DS Digital, and for the font size I'll take 80, and then let's set a background for our clock. So I'll write background equals black, and for the foreground I'll take cyan. That's it. Now let's pack our label. So I'll write label dot pack, and let's set it to the center. That's it. Now let's define a function to get our time. So write def time, and here I'll take a string where I'll store the time. So strf time, and the format will be hour, minute, second, and the AM or PM. Okay. Now let's set this time to the label. So label dot config, and for the text I'll send the string, and then let's try to call our time function on every second. So I'll write label dot after, and the first parameter will be 1000, which is 1 second, and on every 1 second we will call the time function itself, and we have to cut the brackets. Alright, now outside of the time function let's call our time function, and we have to write main loop. That's it. Now let's run our program. As you can see, it's showing the clock. So that's how we can make a clock using Python.